Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust line spacing and indents in the Google Doc. So for you to adjust the line spacing in the document, or you want to adjust the indents in Google Doc, here how you get it done. So make sure you can choose to adjust the line spacing of particular paper or your working space before you start the document, before you start typing in Google Doc, or you can add it to already made typed document. As you can see, this is typed already. So right now we'll just come and write the body of this letter, then I'll add line spacing. So I just highlight using the shift, then the control keys, just to highlight the particular place I want to adjust the line spacing. So after that, then I'll click on format, then I'll move down to the option called line spacing and paragraph spacing. That's it. Right here we have different type of spacing. We have single space, we have 1.5, we have 1.5, only 1.15, we have 1.5, we have double spacing, we have no space before the paragraph, we have add space after paragraph, we have custom space, we have keep the next, we have keep lines, prevent single line, then add page break before. So right now I'm just gonna click keep lines together. You can see, and after that, then I'll make sure pick my line spacing in between 1.5. So that I will not have too much space in between. Okay, let me make it double space. So double spacing, you can see it's spaced out. You can see compared to what we have before. You can see before is a single space, but now we have double space, which creates enough space in between the lines of each word. And that's it. And for you to adjust the indent, go to the format, then align and indent right here. You can decide to choose the alignment of your letter. You can see you want it to be left, central, right, or justify. So I think you should just make it justify. And that's it. If I need your phone, I can follow for more. Thank you.